Peacocks. There's more inside. Look at that one over there, Mom. That one looks different on the back.
Oh, yeah. What are they doing, Bug?
Whoa. How'd they get up there? Tell them to talk. What are they doing?
Coming over here. Look at this.
Come here. Bird. Goodness. It's okay,
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What is it?
What is that, Ollie?
What happened?
Say, bird. Is this your feather? Is this your pretty peacock feather? Come on. Want to get up?
Come on. Put on this one.
What's it doing?
It's
okay.
Come here.
Can you say bye, bird? Bye. Say bye.
Whoa. Where's Ollie?
Look at Mammal head. Whoa.
Oh, Peter. You want that big feather?
That's a big feather.
There's a one here.
Oh, man. They're mad that we took their feathers.
I'm sorry.
You weren't using them.
Come on.
Bye, peacock. Shoo, they stink. Look at them. Oh, did you break it? Come on.